This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mark Alexander. This exceptional 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath Rosedale maintenance-free pool home is now available and waiting for new owners. The home is located on a cul-de-sac, on a preserve lot with a heated saltwater pool. The spacious lanai/pool area provides privacy along with stunning greenbelt views. Rosedale is a gated, deed-restricted community that has no CDDs. The community features golf, tennis, exercise facilities, dining, community pool and social activities, even a dog park. Social membership is required. Social memberships include access to the community pool, exercise facilities, restaurant, no food and/or beverage minimums, and social activities. Other levels of membership are offered and available at extra cost but not required. This spacious home is loaded with custom features and is currently configured as a 2-bedroom 3.5 bath home with an off-master bedroom custom closet with all built-ins that is nothing short of amazing. This closet can be easily converted back to the 3rd bedroom if the new owner's lifestyle demands the 3rd bedroom. The home also features tray and volume ceilings, crown moldings, huge kitchen pantry, a large well-appointed custom kitchen with custom kitchen cabinets that include pull-outs and inserts, a large office/den, laundry room, a master bath that is both spacious and luxurious, abundant closets throughout, large great room and pool area for living well and entertaining. Even the garage has custom storage features. Schedule your appointment today to view this exquisite, value-priced maintenance-free pool home located behind the gates of prestigious Rosedale. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Alexander at 954-693-0100.